What if the perfect bird shot appears for just a split second and your camera just isn't ready? Because in bird photography, there are no second chances. One missed focus, one slow burst, and that moment is gone. So if you're upgrading your gear in 2026, here are 5 of the best cameras for bird photography that can actually keep up. And as always, you'll find all the product links down in the description, along with YouTube's product tags so you can quickly check prices and availability. Alright, let's get started. Number 5. Nikon Coolpix P1100. This camera is built for one thing: extreme reach. It comes with a massive built-in zoom lens, letting you capture birds from very far away without needing expensive telephoto lenses, and that alone makes it a great option for beginners or casual shooters. Now, it's not the fastest. Autofocus is a bit slower, burst shooting is limited, and low-light performance isn't the best. But in bright conditions, it can deliver surprisingly sharp results. If you want something simple, affordable, and incredibly versatile, this is a great place to start. Number 4. Canon EOS R10. This is where things start to feel fast. The Canon R10 offers impressive burst shooting and a responsive autofocus system that can track moving subjects with ease. And for birds in flight, that makes a huge difference. Brief pause. It's also lightweight and compact, so you can carry it all day without fatigue. Perfect for long outdoor sessions. If you're moving up from a phone or a basic camera and want something that feels quick and reliable, this is an excellent choice. Number 3. Canon EOS R7. Now this is where performance really steps up. The APS-C sensor gives you extra effective reach, making distant birds appear closer without needing longer lenses. And that's a big advantage. On top of that, you get fast, continuous shooting and advanced subject detection that can lock onto birds in flight. It also includes strong in-body stabilization, which helps keep your shot steady, especially with long lenses. If you're serious about wildlife photography, this camera hits a near-perfect balance between price and performance. Number 2. Nikon Z6 III. This one is a powerhouse. With a full-frame sensor, you get better image quality, stronger dynamic range, and excellent low-light performance, which is perfect for early mornings or late evening bird activity. But the real highlight here is autofocus. It's fast, intelligent, and incredibly accurate at tracking unpredictable movement. Exactly what you need for birds. The build quality is also solid, so it can handle outdoor conditions without any issues. If you want near pro-level performance, without going all the way to flagship pricing, this is a fantastic option. And finally, number 1. OM system. OM1 Mark II. If bird photography is your main focus, this camera is simply on another level. It offers extremely fast burst speeds, advanced bird detection autofocus, and some of the best image stabilization you can get. You can even shoot handheld with long lenses and still get sharp results. The Micro Four Thirds system also gives you extra reach thanks to the crop factor, which is a huge advantage when photographing distant wildlife. But what really makes this camera special is how responsive it feels. It's built for action. It's built to react instantly, and most importantly, it's built so you don't miss the shot. Now here's something important. In bird photography, it's not just about megapixels or sensor size. The 3 things that matter most are fast autofocus, high burst speed, and enough reach to fill your frame. Get those right, and your success rate will go way up. So, which one should you choose? If you're a beginner and want maximum zoom in a simple package, go with the Nikon Coolpix P1100. If you want speed and value, the Canon R10 or R7 are both excellent depending on your budget. And if you're ready for pro-level performance, the Nikon Z6 III or OM1 Mark II will give you everything you need. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And don't forget to explore the YouTube product section right below the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.